Hi everyone, welcome to Vocation Sunday. My name is Kevin D'Souza. Let's listen to our vocation story from our brothers and a sister.
Hi, this is me, Sister Shabria.
Hi, I'm Liron Dikuna. I'm a seminarian.
Hi friends, I'm Brian Matthias.
Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Fernandez.
हेलो जैसो मेरा नाम यूसुफ डुंगडुंग
I come from Uttanpali. I have completed my college in Uttan. I have my three sisters and one brother. I am, being the eldest daughter, decided to join the Helpers of Mary.
Before joining seminary, I was working for shipping company Maersk Line. So after my graduation from St. Andrews, I worked for 2 years.
I was working with Maersk Line, which is a multinational corporation, a shipping giant.
My first job was at Epicenter Technologies. I worked there for 1 year and 6 months, post which I switched to a general insurance firm, Tata AIG. I worked there for nearly 4 years, and it was a fun because during that time where I realized the call for priesthood.
मैं जब 10 क्लास में पास होने के बाद मैं आईटीआई करने गया मैं गया था दिल्ली
One fine day, the sister Jacinta took me to visit Andheri Helpers of Mary convent. There, I was really taken up by the experience of visiting the elderly, the children, the people around, and the formation house. And I really said yes to God's will, and I joined. But it was not easy task for me to leave my parents.
And while I was working, I always had this question, what is the purpose of my life? Though I was working, I used to have weekend holidays. But then there was one question always challenging me, always telling me, what am I doing here? Is this what something I wanted to do? Because I was in Yuva Darshan for a few years and I have seen priests working there. So this thought of priesthood was always there in my mind. So I decided to discern about it. I decided to join seminary. I spoke to various priests and then I spoke to my parents. My parents were very supportive in this decision of mine because they always encouraged me. They gave me freedom to take this decision of my life. Like you make a choice. Both lives are good. Whether you want to be a married life or you want to become a priest, both are good. You take your decision and we are always behind you. So that was a support which I always had from my parents.
It goes back to my childhood days where I was really inspired by a priest. I belong to Sacred Heart Parish in Andheri, and a priest over there really inspired me when I served my tenure as an altar server. I actually took my inspiration from St. John Bosco and got an opportunity to learn more about his life and his way of living, which really touched me. And that is the time that I actually began thinking about joining the seminary. I remember one day I came home from school and told my mom, when I grow up, I want to become a priest. That was the start of everything. 40 years later, here am I, discerning my vocation for priesthood.
You know, friends, many of you all know me from childhood. I was an altar server in St. Jesus Parish. Before even the new church was built, I would do the altar serving. I was part of the youth. But during that period, I was never close to the church. I would come, attend the youth meetings, enjoy life, make friends, stay out, always stand out during the mass. I never attended mass inside the church. But during my vacation, after completing my 12th standard, I visited Mangalore and I attended a novena in St. Lawrence Basilica, where I realized a statue outside the basilica, St. Sebastian, brutally killed with arrows in his body, all throughout his body. And that actually made me curious to know more about this person. That was the first step that I took to know about the life of saints. And that is how I realized a call for priesthood, a call that even I have to do something. I have to proclaim the gospel to all generations.
और मम्मी पापा को बोला कि समाज में जा रहा हूँ तो लोगों का रिएक्शन बोले कि बेटा हमारा मर्जी नहीं है आपका मर्जी आपको कैसे मन कर रहा है ऐसे करो और ये सुन के मेरे मम्मी और पापा खुश हो गए कि चलो मेरे बेटा तो कोई ना कोई घर से निकल रहा है समाज सेवा करने के लिए मेरे परिवार में 3 भाई हैं और 2 बहन हैं और मैं मेरे मम्मी पापा
I was motivated to join the Helpers of Mary because seeing the misery of the people, I felt I can bring that joy to the people who are around me. I completed my formation and then I became sister in 2007. Today, I am a sister with a good spirit, spreading happiness and joy to the people. Helpers of Mary sisters have taught me many things, how to mingle with people, how to spread God news to the people. I have many chances, the passion, the hobbies, what I had to share today. I am mingling with the young girls, boys, the parishioners, children, elderly, and it gives me and it motivates me to spread that happiness and joy to the people.
Talking about my journey of this last 6 years as a seminarian was about a roller coaster. It was about ups and downs, with a lot of challenges, especially during COVID when I was in the seminary. We were just 12 of us helping in the online course. It was a very difficult time of my life because I went through a lot of loneliness, feeling alone. But the one thing is that God's grace is always there with us, and He really supported me. He was there with me, and so right now when I look back at my journey, my descendant, I really feel joy of being part of the seminary life, and I really enjoy this life, and I'm hoping that everything goes well. I be the priest in the Lord's vineyard.
I felt I had a calling right from my childhood days, beginning from school, went into college, I did my engineering, and then I was eager to join the seminary. However, I was advised that I get some years of work experience. I took the advice and I began working, and it took me 15 years to actually think about joining the seminary again. It was during COVID that I actually felt like my life was lacking something. There was a void that could not be filled. And that led me to go back to my childhood days and think about my intention of joining the seminary. Lastly, I took a very, very tough decision. As you may know, 15 years is a very long time to give up everything and follow Christ our Lord. And so here am I, 15 years later, joined the seminary in 2021, and I've completed 3 years successfully. And now I will be going into my regency, which is a 1 year of stay in an institution for us to gain an overall experience of the life of a priest.
Initially, I was very afraid to tell my family because I was working, and my dad had come down from abroad, and since he was not working, me and my brother, we started working, and it was very difficult to tell them that I don't want to work, I want to go and join the seminary, I want to serve the Lord. Initially it was difficult. I joined at the age of 29. Okay, I got my call I said after 12, I realized that I have to serve the Lord, and since then I was afraid to tell them. It became very difficult for me within to keep it inside. During the COVID period, I went and spoke first to my mom. I told her that I want to serve the Lord, I want to go and become a priest. And she was very happy. She said, go, don't worry about anything, you just go. And slowly I shared this with my parents, my daddy and my siblings. So they were very happy, and till date they are very happy. And today I have completed 3 years in the seminary, and soon I will be going for regency.
Never fear to step forward. God is calling you today. Everyone wants God to listen to our stories, but are you willing to listen to God's call? So my dear friends, sit back, pause a little while and answer God's call. God is calling you.
कि मैं युवाओं को ये बोलता हूँ कि जीवन एक अच्छा जीवन है और हम समाज में भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। मैं फ्रांसिस्कन ब्रदर हूँ, मुझे बहुत खुशी लग रहा है कि मैं फ्रांसिस्कन ब्रदर हूँ बोलकर, और आप भी आकर ज्वाइन करो कांग्रेगेशन में, आकर देखो कैसे लगता है ये जीवन जो आप जीना चाहते हैं, फादर या ब्रदर और सिस्टर, और अच्छी तरह आप जीवन को जीना चाहते हैं तो समझ लें, जाके देखो वो कितना अच्छा है।
After living for 5 to 6 years in a seminary, I'm really enjoying this life as a seminarian. And if you all are going through the discernment, if you are thinking about priesthood, this is the best decision, this is the best choice we should choose for. And even if we try to run away from God, if God is calling us, we can run away, but we cannot hide from this. So if you are discerning your vocation, if you have fears, don't worry about it, because the God is going to guide you all. The God will lead you to just make that decision and join the seminary if you want, if you think that the God is really calling you, because this is the best life which I really feel, because you get joy in the things which you are doing, and that's what we need in a life, to be happy and to have joy in whatever we do.
If you have a slight inclination in your heart that you're meant for a religious life, whether that be a priest or a nun, I would say go for it. It's just like marriage. There are risks in everything. You stay single, there's a risk in that. You get married, there's a risk in that. Well, there's a risk in this too. You wouldn't know what would happen. But that's the beauty of it. you go, you give it a shot, and then you're certain that this life is meant for you or is not meant for you. You are most certain in your life about what you want to do. So I would call upon younger people. I myself am 40 years and I took this decision. I would encourage you guys to come forward and join the seminary. So I would encourage each one of you, if you have the slightest inkling that you are meant for this, give it a shot.
मम्मी पापा हमको बोलते हैं अच्छा काम करो, अच्छा निर्णय लेने के लिए हमको हमारे जीवन में ही एक अच्छा रास्ता और अच्छे मन को अच्छी तरह शांति रख के सोचना चाहिए.
So, my dear people, especially the youth, young girls and boys, are you ready to answer the call?